that dead trees have a sunflower. Look. Dead trees with a sunflower. It's cute. Oh, there's a horse. Oh, yeah. Hello, Katie. I see a horse there. Uh-oh. Okay. 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 You know that I take your video? Really? Wow. Look at her. She's turning around. Oh, she's listening to.
That's red. That's a goose.
Really?
It's an African goose, yeah.
Oh my God, when they heard that, they yell at her and then it kept. You're so cute. Hmm? Hey, you. You're just playing there, huh? You know that I take your video, that's why. Oh, really? You're acting now. Oh, wow. What are you doing there? Huh? What are you doing there, little blacky cat? Are you done? Are you done with your acting now? Huh? Okay, you act like what? Aww.
He's worth a lot of money because it's like $100 for every time they roll over.
Oh yeah? Really? Is that like that? $100 the way you roll over? Oh, you're so expensive though. Hey. See a horse. Horsey.
Have you ever seen a mule, Alma?
Nope.
That's a mule right there, the red one. He's ornery.
Oh, this one?
He's not a horse. He's
Oh, really?
We have horses in the Philippines, but I don't think I've ever seen a mule in the Philippines.
This one? Oh, yeah.
Brenda's horse is out there. I know 3 horses.
Meow. Really?
And usually
He's
he'll
there.
do it for you.
Really? Talk to him, Ella. So he does for you.
Wow.
Rusty, say something.
Hey, meow.
He has an attitude, so don't get too close.
Oh, how many horses that you got here? There's a two lovers there.
Stuff on your head.
The white and the.
Hey,
Yeah, move, or Jasmine, move, come here.
he's gonna back up to me now.
Aw, they're
And then we got
shy.
Tony, too, but
No,
she's-
he wants his butt scratched.
They're shy.
You know, Elma, this mule likes to have his butt scratched.
Really? He's there, oh.
Come over here and scratch his butt.
Really?
You're not a friend unless you do it.
Oh, really? Okay.
He's coming.
You want me to scratch your butt? Wow, he's a big horse.
His mama and daddy were like about this high.
Did you ride this before?
He got to be big.
Well, 'cause
the,
he never
pe-
did
thi-
daddy.
this one,
That's the
that,
reason
that
the
one's
mules are so
Mike's, he
little.
rides them, and that one's mine, that's Cinder.
So you ride that one too? Oh,
Yeah, he looks
And
like a
then-
full-size horse.
Probably in the back of the barn, and that pasture back there is our little white pony, my
oh,
granddaughter.
you have you have a pony there, huh? Wow.
I didn't know that.
Oh, I cannot see that. I want her to teeth. Aww.
Good luck. Aren't you?
Okay.
Back up here. I can't reach you. I can't reach you. Go back up. The terrier comes out here and every time he backs up,
She loved to scratch his butt, huh? Wow.